In a shocking turn of events, Lioness hero Rachel Daly announces her retirement from international football. But what lies behind this decision? Today, we delve into Daly's journey, her heartfelt farewell, and the reactions pouring in from fans and fellow players. Stay tuned as we uncover the emotional story behind Rachel Daly's departure from the pitch. Rachel Daly, the revered Lioness striker, has bid farewell to international football, leaving fans and teammates stunned. Following her announcement, Sarah Mailing, Daly's girlfriend and fellow teammate, took to Instagram to share her support, expressing pride and love. Daly cited the desire to pass on the baton to the next generation as the driving force behind her decision. With an illustrious career boasting Euro 2022 triumphs and World Cup finals, Daly leaves behind a legacy of determination and excellence. Prince William himself, a fervent supporter of the Lionesses, paid tribute to Daly's unforgettable performances, hinting at more goals for her club, Aston Villa. Fellow players, including Leah Williamson, Lucy Bronze, and Beth Mead, poured out their admiration and gratitude for Daly's contributions to the team. As Rachel Daly bids adieu to her international career, the football world reflects on her remarkable journey and unwavering commitment to the game. From triumphant victories to personal tribulations, Daly's legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. This is Celeb Explore Hub, signing off.